Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Free. In our previous videos, we did addition of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions, and also we minus fractions. Now let's have some fun doing some mixed fractions. In order to solve these fractions, first we have to change them into an improper fraction. So starting at the first fraction, we multiply the denominator by the whole number, and the answer we get we plus it with the numerator. So 2 is the denominator, 5 is the whole number, and 1 is the numerator. So we do 2 times 5, which equals 10, plus the 1 here, which is the numerator, equals 11. And we place it back over the same denominator. On the right hand side of the fraction, we do 3 times 7 plus 2, and that equals 23. We place 23 over the same denominator, which is the 3, so now we have 11 over 2 and 23 over 3. We now need to find the LCM of 2 and 3. And the LCM is the smallest number which both the denominators can go into without leaving a remainder. So 6 is our LCM. And now we divide 6 into 2, we get 3. We now multiply 3 by the numerator 11 and we get 33. We also divide 6 into 3, we got 2. We then multiply the 2 by the 23, we got 46. 33 plus 46 equals 79. And we then place it over the same denominator, which is the 6. We now have to change the improper fraction into a mixed fraction by dividing 79 into 6. So we now multiply 6 by any number that when we get our answer, it is close enough to 79, to find out how many times it can be divided into it. As you can see, 6 times 11 equals 66. So it is not that close. So we go higher. 6 times 12 is kinda close to the 79, so we just go a little higher. So we do 6 times 13. We got 78, which is closest to 79. So 6 divided into 79 equals 13 times with some remainders, but we don't care about the remainders in this case. So we place 13 here for the whole number. After we go back and multiply 13 by 6, we got 78. We take away 78 from 79. The remainder is the numerator. And next we place back the denominator. Let's do more examples. Similarly, we multiply the denominator by the whole number, then the answer we get we add it with the numerator. So 2 times 3 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. We place 7 over the same numerator, which is the 2. On the right hand side, we do 8 times 2 plus 7, and our answer found to be 23. We place 23 over the 8. We then find the LCM, which is 8. 2 divide into 8, 4 times. 4 times 7 equals 28. 8 divide into 8 equals 1. 1 times 23 gives back 23. We do 28 plus 23, and that equals 51. We bring it back over the same LCM, which is the 8. We now have to change the answer into a mixed fraction. Let's divide 51 into 8. If you're not sure of the answer, you can always multiply the numerator by some numbers, depending on how big the denominator value is. So we try 8 times 5, we got 40. That's not so close, so we try 8 times 6. We got 48, which is the closest to 51. So 51 divided into 8 equals 6 times. So 6 is our whole number. Let's find the numerator. We do 6 times 8, and then we take away 48 from 51, and the answer we got is the numerator. We cannot take 8 from 1, so we borrow from the 5, and the 1 becomes 11. 8 from 11 equals 3, and we place that over the 8. Again, we do the same step for this example. 5 times 8 equals 40. We plus 40 by the 3, which is the numerator. We then got 43 over 5. On the left hand side, we times the denominator 6 by the whole number 6. Then plus the answer by the denominator 2. We then got 38, and we bring 38 over the 6. Finding the denominator, we do 6 times 5, we got 30. Multiplying both denominators to find the LCM works only if none on the denominator can be divided into each other, or if they don't have any multiple of another number. If you're still not clear, you can watch 2 of our previous videos on how to easily find any LCM of numbers. A link will be provided in the description. 30 divided into 5 equals 6. 6 times 43 equals 258. 30 divided into 6 equals 5 times. 5 times 38 equals 190. We add 258 plus 190, that equals 448. We place it over 30. Lastly, we need to change this fraction into an improper one. So we divide 448 into 30. Again, if you are not quite sure of the answer, you can always do some multiplication. So let's do 30 times 12. We got 360. Let's go up a little higher. Let's do 30 times 14. We got 420. This is the closest we can get to 448 when we multiply 30 by 14. So 448 divided into 30 equals 14. 14 is our whole number. 420 from 438 equals to 18. 18 is our numerator. And we now bring back the 30 as the LCM. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss out any of our latest videos on sciences and maths tutorials. We upload every week.